Dear guests at ImpaQ, our enriching session titled Felemban, A Voice from the Future, will begin shortly. We look forward to seeing you at the ImpaQ Talk Theater.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
My name is Felemban. I am 9 years old. Today, I want to share my vision for a greener future and more sustainable future. A future where we all work together to protect our beautiful planet. And not just for ourselves, but for generations to come. For generations to come. Okay. Bismillah. And how does a green future matter? Okay. Wait a minute. Listen. Bismillah. Asif with mistake. Not just for ourselves, but for generations to come. Like, we want to, no. يمكن مرة تاني؟ نسوي مرة تاني؟ نعيده؟ بسم الله. Why does a green future matter? بسم الله. Why does a green future matter? اوكي اعتقد ما اعرف قلت لك انا I can do it. يعني I skip the part. Okay, بسم الله. I can do it. بسم الله. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. My vision for a green future. My name is Felemban. I am 9 years old. Today, I want to share my vision for a greener and more sustainable future. A future where we all work together to protect our beautiful planet. Not just for ourselves, but for generations to come. Why does a green future matter? Wait, still not again. When I imagine of the future, I think of clear blue skies, healthy green trees, healthy and clean water, and animals that thrive in their natural home. So we need to act fast. Each one of us, no matter how young or old. Each one has a role to play. Why does a green future matter? Let's see why is it important. So, our world has faced many challenges before, like pollution, deforestation, climate change are harming the environment. When trees are being cut down, we lose clean air and homes for animals. If plastic is thrown in the ocean, sea creatures get injured. If the weather is changed too much, it can cause extreme heat and global warming. And if there's a few rain or too much rain, it might cause droughts and floods. And so, the thing is, but this isn't just about our world far away. This is also about our home, Saudi Arabia. We are blessed with these beautiful seas, beautiful deserts, rich seas, and amazing wildlife. We want to protect these treasures. We want to make sure our country stays beautiful, clean, and full of life. So, small steps that can make big impacts. You might be wondering, I'm just one person. Can I make a difference? The answer is yes. Even small actions can make big changes. Let me share a few simple steps that we can all take to make our world more greener. Firstly, plant more trees. Trees are amazing. They give us oxygen, shade, and help fight pollution. Imagine if each one of us plant one tree every year. In 10 years, it would be millions of new trees. It's simple, but it can make a difference. Second, save water. Water is precious, especially in Saudi Arabia. And saving water could help save thousands of liters of water. So, how? We can save water by closing the tap after brushing our teeth, taking a shower for a short time, and using a bucket of water instead of a water hose to clean our car. Third, reduce plastic use. Plastic is everywhere, and it takes centuries to break down. And we can use reusable bags, bottles, and containers instead of single-use plastic. If we all do this, we can keep our deserts, beaches, and oceans clean. Fourth, reduce and recycling. Reuse and recycling. Recycling can help turn old things into new ones. Instead of just throwing things away, we can recycle them. We can find new ways to use them. Recycling paper and plastic and metals can reduce waste and save resources. Fifth, lastly, clean our environment. We sometimes see litters on floors, but if we pick up trash, even one piece of trash, we can keep our environment clean. Imagine if each one of us pick up one trash every day, our environment will sparkle with cleanliness. So, here is an inspiration from our country. Saudi Arabia is already taking big steps towards being a greener future. Our leaders have launched amazing initiatives like Saudi Green Initiative and Middle East Green Initiative. Those programs aim to plant billions of trees to help fight pollution, reduce waste, and make our country more sustainable. I feel proud of knowing that we are part of a nation that cares for the environment. But we can't leave everything to the government. We need to do our thing too. And here is my dream for the future. When I dream of the future, I see cities with gardens and parks, where schools teach children to care for the environment, where homes use solar energy, and where cars use clean fuel, and where families work together to keep their neighborhood clean and green. Where everyone cares of nature, and where animals like falcons, gazelles, and sea turtles are protected and free to live in their natural homes, where the air is fresh and the water is clean. But for this dream to come, we need to act now. So, Here is how to work together. All of this can happen by working together. So here are some steps that we can take for action. In schools, we can start environmental clubs, plant gardens, and holding recycling days. We can learn about the nature and teach each other to care for our planet. In homes, we can talk to our families about saving energy, reduce waste, and planting trees. So, every change and every action in homes can make big impacts. In our communities, we can start cleaning our environment, we can plant trees, and encourage our friends and neighbors to care for the environment. Here's a call for action. As children, we are the future. We can change the world by making small, smart choices today. Each one has their own voice, and actions matter too. So, and let's promise to take care of our environment. And let's, not just for ourselves, but for the future of Saudi Arabia and the whole world. So, let's imagine a greener future. Let's plant more trees, save water, use less plastic, and clean our environment. Together, let us work as a greener, cleaner, and more sustainable futures for generations to happen. Thank you for listening, and jazakumullah khairan.